Morning to all my viewers and my beautiful, lovely subscribers. Wanna say I hope everybody in a good health and good strength. Now this morning, take too long for go in this video. Yeah man, this video is I want to talk to Crissy and Samar. Mostly Samar, yes. I want to have a conversation with Samar this morning. And it go off a 2 video. When me see. Yeah, me see 2 video. 3 video. Yes, 3 video. When me see. What me really want to talk about. Yeah, man. Me really want to talk about them 3 video there. My viewers and subscribers, the Carter family do a lot of pranks. Yeah? Me see 2 videos where I say it's a prank, guys. Now, when me look on them video there and it say it's a prank, guys, it shatter my brain. And the reason why it shatter my brain is because it's a prank. You really do a video say it's a prank? Well, each to his own. Think what you think. However, when me see the first video of Samar, the outside the house, I put him plug in fin car. Me never do no video upon it. Because my brain I tell me say is a long time video. But when me do my investigation and me checking, me realize it's a new video. But when me go back and me watch the court session, the judge say you cannot go to the house. And the judge I give you a one-time pass with police to go take your things. So that made me go, that's strange. The other thing is about the situation is me see a video with Crissy. And when me watch the video, me I say, this is a very strange video. She look clummy. She no look like it a pop. She no look like her head in the right place. Knowing that there is a matter at hand, she do her ear video. And me sit down and me say to myself, say, hold on. There is a serious matter about your child. And even if you have to get money, you have to make money. Don't get me wrong, viewers and subscribers, and even you, Crissy, don't get me wrong. You need money, you have to make money. However, the people who are watch your video, your supporters, the people who are watch your video, are put up your views, them still I wonder what happened. And you, Crissy, you not even come out and say to the people, guys, my family is going through something right at the moment. We cannot talk on it a lot, but we go work it. You didn't come and say nothing. You just come and start to video like everything is normal. When your child is at the forefront of this thing. Now, the next thing I really want to say about this, going back to this whole prank thing that people are saying, oh, it's a prank, guys. Let me tell you something about a prank. Well, Me never have to tell you about a prank. You know what a prank is because you know do some good one. But there's no way, this is a prank. No, this is not a prank. If this is a prank, the police department need to be sued. Yes. If this is a prank, the police department need to be sued. And the school teacher need to be sued. By me who have my daughters, who this thing have me going crazy. Yeah, this thing have me going crazy. But apparently, you all not care. You don't care. All you don't worry about is the money, the lifestyle. Can't remember, you know, when him do all him do with you already, you make everybody know it's about the brand. It's our brand. So you don't really care about anything else more than the brand. So you will do anything just to keep the brand alive and keep the brand active, keep that money coming in. Now, Crissy, that was about you. Now, I want to talk to CMR. Come right, just come sit down. Man to man, me I go talk to you now. CMR, me see you do a video of you a clean your fancy car. And when me look on that video, you can see, say, you're not right. Yeah, you can see, say, something is wrong with you. However, you have to live. You have to eat. But at least you could have come out before you start to do your video and say something to your supporters. Yeah, you could have come out and say something to your supporters. You could at least not say everything, not go in a deep thing, but you could have said something to your supporters. Meaning, you could have said to your supporters, say, guys, at this time, we're going through, the family going through our deal, and we are take it slowly, or we are take it time by time, and we are going to work through this. You could have said something. PR stunt. You could have talked to a lawyer. You could have asked a lawyer what's the good thing to say. You could have consulted with somebody and ask them what's a good word to say to the people who support you, to the people who watch your channel, to your friends them, to your family. You could have said something to them, something. Instead, you go to a car wash, you start to video your fancy car, you start to show your new video equipment. We is going to film movie. Now, tell me something. Let me ask you a question. So after all this, with your daughter and with your daughter tell the teacher, and you getting locked up, and the judge tell you say you can't go near the kids, you are talking about filming movie? Well, by the way, is there a case that you're going to go before the judge, and the judge go make her decision of if you stay outside here, or if you stay going to prison, or you don't have the daughter change are saying that's why you so fit to say you go star movie. Me not get it. And that more I want to talk to you about. You have a problem, youth. And the problem you have is an addiction. Yeah, you have an addiction, youth. And you have to fix it. Crissy herself talk about the addiction you have. You tell Crissy say you have an addiction, you have a problem. So you need to fix your problem before you jump up, ready to start to act like nothing happened. Me not get it, brother. Let me tell you something. One, me never did a run that prank. If uno say it's a prank, me never did I go run that kind of prank for no money. Me never did I go in on a jail for no money prank. No prank like that I go get me for make no money. Because guess what? Look on the web. All the on the web is your name, and look what your name attached to. But now you come out, everything is alright. Now you come out, look like nothing ever happened. But as you see your face, you can see that the world is on top of your head. You can see say the world is on top of your head. Yeah, you can see it. You can see say you look stressed out. You try your best to push it out there. But here you go work it, guy. The only way you go work it good and you go get better, if you stop lying to yourself. When me talk hard, you know. Stop lying to yourself. Stop tell yourself say you're the man. Stop tell yourself say you're the good. You're not the good youth. Stop tell yourself say you at the head of the stream. You at the bottom of the stream, brother. My name, nothing supposed to call upon any of those kind of things. There's a certain thing your name not supposed to call upon as a man, and then you turn around and think he is the ultimate king. No, youth. I mean, I tell you, say right now, when me see you do, I tell you the truth. When me see you do, it's messy. When you go in the comment section, read the comment them. Go read the comment them. Crissy, go read the comment them too. Go read the comment them where people are asked. Because some comment in the section there, where people are asked, where people want to know what happened. Yo, brother, what happened? What happened? You act like everything is alright. What happened? What really happened? What go on? But the thing is, you not really make people know what go on. You not say nothing. You not... You are big timer. You are big shot. So in other words is, you have no respect for yourself, for your family, and for the little girl. And most of all, you not have no respect for the people that may put you and your family which party there. Yeah, man, you not have no respect to them. And that's one of the main things you need to look on. Because remember, you no make yourself. Them make you. Your viewers and your subscribers is the one who make you. Me used to watch on the videos too. So me a part of who help build you up. But you dash dirty water in a people's face, brother. Yeah, man, you dash dirty water in a people's face because one, the little lady said it happened 3 times. Camera in the room. Who put the camera in the room? Why you don't put the camera in the room? Let me tell you something, brother. Guy, y'all know me, brother. Let me tell you something. Even if that little girl pull back her statement and pull back what she say, you still is that guy. Yeah, you still are gonna be that guy because people gonna know say something happened. Let me tell you something. The police who talk to the little one, them not fool. Them know something happened. The teacher knows something happened. So even if she withdraw her statement, people go still know something happened. So for views, fame, and money. When you find yourself in a this, then you come out, start to do video like everything is alright. Yeah, you know I do video like everything is alright. No, nothing at all. But guess what happened? Uno go sorry. You and Crissy go sorry. Remember me telling you that. Uno go sorry. My viewers and subscribers, not to go too far. 15 is good. And to the next video, we meet again. Now say a word, peace and love, manners and respect. Until we talk again. We're going to talk some more about this situation and more situation. Enough respect.